Yo, what's up everyone, Dolan back here, and today I'm going to be playing some car crash simulator, whatever it's called. Car crash driver simulator, car crash driving. For my 30 subscriber special, that's why I'm doing it on mobile, because I'm able to record Samsung and Android and whatever games. I was trying to do Mario 64, but that didn't really work out. And I have played this game a little bit before, so I know how to play it, which is good. Anyway, let's get into this. I will record like a PC game or something like that later today. Oh my god. Wow. Literally doesn't have a scratch on it. Oh, I could go first person. Okay, no, let's... No. 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 Go this way. Ooh, let's go... Let's try to do this loop-de-loop. Oh god, that's a wall. Okay, let's see if I can try to do some loop or something like that. I have to literally tilt my tablet. Oh my god, I have to tilt my tablet to, like, sorry guys if this is laggy, I'm trying to find a better screen recorder. This is the only one I can do without rooting my device. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's go down. Oh god, okay, let's go and let's try a different map, I guess. I like map 2 the best because you guys will see it's awesome. Might be a little laggy, but hopefully you guys can handle it. Hopefully this is in landscape mode. I mean, not landscape, theater mode or whatever it's called. Okay, here's this map. This is my favorite map because if you just... Oh my god! Boom! Everyone in that car is dead. Now I'm stuck upside down. I'm literally stuck upside down. Well, let's restart that level and not get stuck upside down. So yeah, I really like this game a lot. And also thank you guys for the 30 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you. Ah! This car is indestructible. It is not destroyed. Even though in real life it would be destroyed. Jeez. Well, let's go. Come on. You're freaking kidding me. I can't freaking... Here, I'll send a car to chase me. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. Ah, stupid ads. Okay, here comes the car. I thought I heard it. Yep. Gotta restart that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the next maps. So we've already done 1, and then 2, so let's go 3. Okay, this seems fun. Ads all over the place. Let's go here. Let's see if maybe we can make it up the ramp this time. Oh crap! Oh, he is so. No! You're kidding me. Oh my god, I keep getting flipped over at the end, in the end. Try map 3 again. So apparently I can't do wheelies, or loop-de-loops. That sucks. Ooh, I want to do that. Oh my god, there's literally no scratch. Never mind, I broke some glass. Oh my god. Hey, at least it still drives. Oh my god, how is this thing driving? Let's go mess it up some more. You're kidding me. Well, that's great. Let's go on to the next map. The next and final map. Ooh, I was going with this guy. Map 4. Map 4, here we are. Map 4. Oh, there's even some more of these things. Great. I wonder what this thing is. It's spinning around in a circle. Wow, this is still driving. Still going strong. Let's just go. Turn, you stupid thing. Oh no! I hit the world border. Boom! Ah! Oh crap! Oh jeez! Oh no! Oh god! Oh jeez no! Oh god! Still drives. How is this thing still alive? Oh crap! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Oh, by my wheel! Yay! Wow! Okay, well, I think I'm gonna end this episode off here. If you guys liked it, leave a like down below telling me you liked it. Comment down below what you liked about this video. Please actually do that so I can see if I can do more of it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. My tablet's about to die. Bye.